Hi guys! We're back at really hot temperatures again, so it's getting warm again, and I thought, what is the best thing to enjoy when it gets so warm? So this time I did some preparation and I prepared something delicious, but kind of still on the healthier side to enjoy during the warm weather. So today I'm gonna share with you how to make these delicious strawberry mango frozen yogurts. They're super simple to make and you can make them with any other fruit of your choice, and they're perfect to cool down in this hot weather. I've done some prep work, so I've melted the mango. If you're using fresh mango, of course, you don't need to do that. And also I'm using frozen strawberries, so I've melted the strawberries as well, or defrosted the strawberries. And you can see here is a lot of water or juice that's released from the strawberries, not so much with the mango, so I wouldn't worry about this little amount of liquid, but if you have so much as here in the strawberries, then you want to drain the water or strain the juices. You can always drink that, but you don't want that in the frozen yogurt. So I've got rid of most of the liquid. That little amount is not bad. And I'm gonna add half of the sugar to the strawberries. And then you want to blend with an immersion blender. So just blend it until you have a nice and smooth puree like I have here. And then we are going to do the same with the mango, so adding in the sugar first. This is actually optional, so you could leave the sugar out or add it whichever way you like it. Without the sugar, it's more natural flavored and not as sweet. Then I have here some natural flavored Greek yogurt and some whipping cream that I've already whipped until stiff peaks. And now I'm gonna divide these between the two different purees. So half goes into the mango and half into the strawberry. So now I have the yogurt and the cream there, and there's just one more thing I want to add, and that's some vanilla paste. So I'm gonna add a little bit to this one and also to the other one. Now we just want to mix it all well so that it's nicely combined before we start transferring it into our ice cream molds. Then I'm just filling my popsicle mold so that I have a bit of the mango and a bit of the strawberry mix in both. Then you just want to add the sticks on top and freeze it for at least 6 to 8 hours or overnight. I hope you enjoyed this delicious frozen yogurt recipe, and if you'll be making it with some other fruits, let me know what combinations you tried so I can also try those. If you enjoyed watching this video and this really cool way to keep cool, don't forget that thumbs up for support and subscribe for some coming delicious recipes. So before my popsicle melts, I have to hurry. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.